Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2015 Transit cargo van in white with black cloth interior, seating for two up front, and there's a privacy wall in between the cargo area and the passenger area. As well, it's got sliding doors on both sides and double doors in the back. It's a 4-cylinder and it's also automatic and a front wheel drive. It's really easy to get into this van. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted. Your lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls and cruise control. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages appear on the dash. As well, you have a menu that you can toggle through. So we're just going to get in there. It's trip 1, trip 2, information, settings, and these all have sub-menus. You also have your hands-free button, which is located just here. In the center, you have your display screen with your media choices of AM, FM. You also have auxiliary line in and CD player. The CD player is located there. And then you have your volume and tuner there, as well as your hazard lights. Below is your climate control. You have AC and your front defrost, as well as max AC, and you have heated side view mirrors. You also have your parking sensors. There's the button for that. An automatic select shifter, and down below here you're seeing the 12 volt, as well as emergency parking brake, some cup holders, and the armrest opens up, and that's where you're going to see your auxiliary line in, as well as more storage. Off to the side is your glove compartment, and up above you have your lighting controls. As well, there's a cargo bin, and you can put items up there. There's a grab handle on the passenger side, making it easier to get in. 16-inch wheels, black body trim, and door handles. A sliding door on the driver's side. And in the back, you have double doors, as well as your backup sensors on the bumper. And then when you want to open up the back area here, simply open the handle to the right, and then there's a handle on the left side door. You just click that and open it up as well. And inside you've got that nice vinyl mat on the floor for easy cleanup. There's also tie downs, and you're seeing that mesh that divides the cargo area and the passenger area up front. And then when you want to close the doors, simply swing the left one first and then the right. And then you can lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Easily slide the door open on the passenger side simply by pulling the handle. There's a step making it easier to get in, and you're seeing that privacy wall. There's also the tie downs on the floor, and in the back the double doors. There's also lighting up above, and you're seeing that off on the side here. Passenger side capless, easy fuel gas filler, privacy glass in the windows, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.